In this video, we're going to talk about everything that I carry no matter where I go. Whether it's short haul trips, long haul trips, whether I'm going for a day trip out or multi-day trips, these are the things I absolutely don't leave the house without. Hi everyone! In case you're new to this channel, I'm Isabel of Belle Around the World. I've been travel blogging for almost 10 years now. It's crazy to think how far I've come. And so this brand, this channel is dedicated to sharing all the travel tips and tricks that I've learned through my journey across the world and to share that with you. If you're curious to know what I carry for my remote work setup whenever I go out to work, be sure to check out my other video on everything about my remote work setup. So including all of my electronic gadgets, how I organize them, what I bring, and how I set them up. So after being so many years on the road, I know just how cumbersome overpacking is, and it has really weighed me down quite literally and figuratively and has hindered my ease of travel, which is why these days I'm all about packing light, smart, and minimally. And so I hope you find this video useful. If you did find this video useful, I would really appreciate a thumbs up on this video, and feel free to hit the like and subscribe and notification button if you'd like to hear more of such travel tips. Here are some of the things I always carry with me wherever. Welcome to my humble abode. Today is my last day in this room because I'm moving back to my old place. I just finished my workout at Wanderlust, grabbed a cup of protein smoothie, and now I'm back here in the AC trying to pack. And since while I'm at it, I might as well show you what's in my backpack and what I pack as a digital nomad. So, particularly for this trip, I have just brought this bag, which I am absolutely in love with. It is by Yukon Acrobatics. I believe it's a German brand. I first found it in Amsterdam. It's a bit dirty now from all the Bali soot, but it's waterproof, and I really like how minimalist and sleek the design is. So much so that I got the other fanny pack from the same brand, this one, which fits perfectly if I need to go on like short trips, you know. It's just nice on the side, and I just put my belongings. Let's see what we have in here. Hand sanitizer, my mints, lip balm, my ear pods. So also my earphones, because sometimes on the bike it's just easier to use these wired earphones. International driving license, my SIM card in case anybody needs my phone number from Indonesia, first aid kit, which is kind of just a bandage. What else? Oh, and a pen, because you never know. It's always essential when you are at immigration and suddenly needing a pen to fill out documents, you know? And then of course I have my wallet. This is from Scrubber. It's just really no frills, very simple. So it's thin, compact. I can just put a couple words, some notes, and then my essential cards like Wise. I really love Wise, and Revolut is kind of my backup here. And in my wallet, simple stuff, you know, my international driving license and my business card. Ta-da! So in case, you know, you never know, business calls anywhere. So yeah, that's in my fanny pack, which I carry, like if I'm traveling, then I would put also my passport in there, also keys. So I really just carry this everywhere I go, especially if like especially if I'm just going out on a, like to a dinner, even a date, it's kind of presentable enough. Hahaha, okay. Here is my luggage so far, totally empty. We're gonna try and start packing now. I usually put my shoes into like bags like this, So this is my pretty dress shoes. I put it in the bags like this so I can squash it and keep my luggage clean and put it aside where compartments are. I have a bunch of clothes. I'm still waiting for my laundry, but this is my clothes bag. I love it because you can compact it into you can squeeze it into such a small sized, like basically compress it, and it's also very hardy. I like this one. It's a bit heavier than usual than the super light ones that you see, like Eagle Creek. You know, these are super light and thin ones, but this one's a bit thicker. It's from Monarch. Yeah, I like it because I really like, I'm pretty rough with squeezing my clothes, so this it is really handy. Check out my other YouTube video on what I pack as a digital nomad to see how I roll my stuff into the tiniest things to fit everything in. I bought this little bag because I use it to store my underwear, which is good for organization. And then I also have a bag of medicine. You know, my mom likes to pack me these because you never know, like, you never know when you get sick. So she gives me like homemade version of emergency kit. So I kind of just bring this everywhere. Supplements, I try and pack them into smaller size bottles so that it doesn't take up too much space. Otherwise my bottle is quite big. These are for supplements. Here are 4 other things I carry wherever I go. Carabiner, because I'm a rock climber. Kidding. I mean, I am a rock climber, but also it is very handy for just clipping stuff. A cap. I never leave it anywhere without it because it's scorching out and scorching hot in Asia, so sun protection and a cap. And sunglasses, you know. Ta-da! Sunglasses. Sorry, I got carried away. It's more than 4 items now, but since we're on the topic of sun protection, I got this Ultra Protect Banana Boat. I like to choose something that's SPF 50 plus, but also like water resistant or waterproof because I am sometimes in the water, or a lot of the times in the water. So this is a good one for just slapping on your skin, and it's non-greasy. That's the best part. I like it because you slap it on and it doesn't feel like you have sunscreen at all, and it doesn't clog pores. So sometimes I use it on my face if it's really hot, because when you're out riding it can be really hot, and that's how you get really dark really quickly. So sun protection. I also have this from Sensatia. It's a Surf Naked sunscreen lotion. It is much thicker. It's made of zinc as well and beeswax, because it's much thicker and it stays on. Because when you're surfing, you are literally in the middle of the ocean and in the sun, exposed to the sun without any shelter for a couple hours, 1-2 hours maybe. So having good like sun protection that stays on specifically for surfing is good. So I use these two. Of course, I also have a face sunscreen. This is my kind of all-in-one face stuff. I use this sunscreen called Shiseido SPF 50 plus for the face. I have my little concoctions of essential oils that I make myself because I used to have really bad acne and nothing could help, not even like medication, not even antibiotics. Because once I'm off the antibiotics, it came back again. Until I was in Mexico, in Puerto Escondido, I met this masseuse. She is from Russia? No, she's American but living in Israel. Anyway, like super cool facial girl. She knows so much about natural products, and she gave me this recipe for making oils and for putting on my pimples and my skin based on my facial types. So it really is a combination of different things depending on what it's for. Like this one contains tea tree and it's for spots and pimples. This one contains lemon oil and it's used for nighttime because I have freckles. Can you see those freckles? Yeah, so I use the lemon oil for like reducing pigmentation. I eye drops because I'm a serial contact lens wearer and my eyes then get dry. I have antiseptic for emergency cuts. I do have a bunch of cuts, I don't know if you can see, because of surfing. So I'm not accident prone, but yeah, you just have emergency, like first aid kit. What's this called? Teeth floss, tooth floss. What else? A comb. Yeah, and my various makeup stuff. This is just something that I carry everywhere in my day bag for emergency use, and it composes of all these little liquid things. So that's my makeup bag, I guess. And then I really don't travel without my JBL speaker. It's small and compact. It's an old model. It's JBL Go 3. I really like it because it achieves its effect of being a speaker. It amplifies the sound, the music, and I can carry it anywhere. I can just like hook it onto my day bag. Very light, very portable. I'm all about portability and minimalism. And this is under 50 bucks. Then I have this towel from Matador. It is quick dry, super duper quick dry. Look. And it's so thin. It floats in there. So I kind of carry it everywhere, you know, just in case you're like out camping or have a spontaneous trip. You don't have like towel provided, or if let's say you wanted to go to a beach or something, you can just carry this. Yeah, and it packs like super compactly, so I love it, and it weighs nothing. And there you have it. These are all the top things that I carry no matter where I go. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. What is your must-have item whenever you travel, and what kind of tips you would like to see more of. Till then, I'll see you in the next video.